Okay, let's talk about chicken marinades. So, in this bowl, I have olive oil and just a little bit of Dale seasoning. I'm going to be using this Kinder's Italian chicken because I'm going to be grilling it and then finishing it in the oven. So all I'm doing right now is I'm honing my knife because we're going to be bifurcating a piece and butterflying a piece. Sounds kind of the same, but they're a little different. So I am patting this dry. So because this is so big, we want to look at what constitutes a serving. A serving for most meat is visualize a deck of cards. So we're looking at something that size, but half of this. As you can see, it's very thick. But first off, I'm not going to be using this. So I'm just going to carve that off. And then this here, I'm just going to get in under that tendon and then just cut it away. And throw this in the trash. So from here, I'm going to take that same approach as to this is going to be a serving, but two because of the thickness. So now I have two servings. So I'm going to start here, and I'm basically going to cut in the middle. So I'm placing my hand firmly on top of this, holding the knife. I actually have my hand on the counter. And then I'm just going to slowly cut, minding my palm and keeping it in the middle. And then you have your two servings. Now for this, I'm actually going to butterfly it because of how it's made. So starting from this side, I'm going to go down the middle and I'm going to slowly cut towards but not through and push over. Same thing with this. I'm going to start here where this natural line is, and I'm going to slowly cut but not going through and pull out. If I did not go far enough, I'm going to do the same thing again and just push with my hand. This is butterflying. So, and you can see it makes a nice flat piece. It's bigger because of how much bigger it is. I'm just basically going to cut it right in half to give me those same two servings. So that one piece gives me 4 servings. So when you do your meal prep and you cook this, you can set it on top of your rice, and then you have 4 servings out of one chicken breast. Now for this, we're looking at about this much. You're going to use about, I would say, a tablespoon. It's up to you and your taste, but once you have that done, you will get a small, whatever these are called, and just mix it together. It's better to do this the night before because the longer marinade sits, the more penetration you're going to have. But for some very salty marinades, you do not want to go longer than 24 hours. And that sound means that our rice is done. So we'll be moving on to that in the next video. But once you have it, it's all marinated. You want it mostly submerged, but really you just want everything coated.